Okay, here we go. Fashion show from Aunt Heidi.
Thanks, Aunt Heidi.
Okay, Phelan's in a sensitive state, so she's probably not going to fashion show it. They're both being kept happy by gummy fruit snacks right now. Farron, give me the yellow ones if you don't like them.
What? Give me the yellow ones?
Give me the yellow ones, please. Don't you eat them? You don't eat them, right? Okay, whatever. Close. Look. What did Aunt Heidi get you?
A sweater dress that Phelan can wear today.
Perfect fall.
Special baptism. Ready? And maybe this is for Phelan to grow into. So in the meantime,
That's mine.
you can wear
Big
it.
pickup there, B. Cute.
Big
Do you like the
store.
flowers? Phelan, look at the flowers.
Phelan. Look at
New dress.
That's red.
it. Is red.
This is so pink. No.
Pink, yellow, gray.
Have another one, Mom?
Nope. Thank you. You wanna? Okay, Bernadine. Let's try this on for Aunt Heidi. This is Daddy's taking a video for Aunt Heidi. Let's show her what it looks like when you wear it. It's gonna be so cute.
Dad, don't take a picture yet.
Okay.
Oh,
How about some undies?
It's coming.
oh boy.
That's gonna be so cute. And we have matching tights Aunt Heidi sent too. Look at that. What's the dress?
Cute.
Nice.
It's cute.
I need these, Mom.
Yes, you do. I'm gonna get you some underwear first.
Okay, let's wear. This is
You want to wear it? Take off your sparkle dress. Want some help? Relax, relax, relax. Take a deep breath.
Yeah, they're like pants. Oh, hey.
Meg, can you help her take this off?
Already paid?
Pretty good if she wants to take her off the sparkle dress.
Don't.
Here, Bern.
Don't yet.
Okay, I'm not yet.
Here, Bern, put these on.
Alright, I would focus on...
Don't.
Okay, why don't you maybe pause the video so you can help, and then start it back up after they're dressed.
Can I pause it? Can I do it? No, I'll do.
Here, let's see. Do a little dance out there
Here,
in your new stuff.
come here, honey.
Woo!
Phelan, you look really good.
Say thanks, Aunt Heidi.
Thank you, Heidi.
Say thanks, Aunt Heidi. Daddy. Thanks, Aunt Heidi.
Cheese. 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 Cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm going to take a picture of you.
No.
Why?
Daddy's got the
Uh-oh.
recorder now.
And then I want to.
Here, let's do something with this hair. I think
Hey!
parting it to one side is best.
You're heavy.
Uh-huh.
You have to get your foot up.
Okay. Alright, say thank you.
Thank you. Now can I do it?
Stop.
Daddy.
Alright.
Can I?